So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of Jan till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. This action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description box. Want to like have a personal readings or healing sessions? You can check out the box, and links are given below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below in the description box. So let's start. Sagis, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Six of Swords, the Nine of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Wow. It's very difficult, very difficult for this person to move on from this connection, but they're literally forcing themselves to move on. It's like disappointing the hell out of them. It's giving them sleepless nights. It's giving them a stressful energy, but they feel like there's no other way, there's no other thing that they can do anything about in this situation. So it's better for them to keep moving ahead in their life, even if it hurts like crazy. So this is someone who is stressed out, who is disappointed, who is hurt, but they feel this is the only solution left in the situation. Moving on is the only solution left in the situation, and they should keep moving ahead no matter what is going on behind their back. They just feel they should not look back no matter what. Even if it hurts like crazy, let it hurt. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Justice, the Hanged Man, and the Knight of Swords. Their intention is to break this no contact, break this silence between you and them, and talk to you about whatever happened or whatever is happening in a very justful way, in a very you can say balanced way. They want to hear, listen your side of the story also. They want to tell you their side of the story. They want to be in a neutral energy, and they want to sort it out with you in some way. Sorting it out means listening to both the parties and understanding what went wrong, and what they did wrong, and what was their part in this situation, what was your part in the situation, and then maybe surrendering to the divine. It's like they have this desire to have a cutthroat communication where both the parties are speaking their truth, nothing but the naked truth, and then sorting it out with each other, or maybe letting it go completely properly and honestly. So their intention is to have a communication where everything is justful, is everything is balanced, everything is truth. Nothing but the truth. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb, honey. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, the Ace of Wands. This person is going to connect with somebody new, Sagittarius. I don't see this person coming back towards you. They're holding on to this desire that someday you guys are going to have a friendship kind of a deal, or a relationship kind of a deal, maybe in the coming future, maybe, in the distant future. But as of now, I do see this person trying to keep themselves happy and connecting with somebody new. I don't see them connecting with you for some weird reason. I don't see this person coming back to you for a relationship kind of a deal. I do see them maybe connecting with you and talking to you about whatever happened or whatever is happening, and clearing the air with you, and then boom, nothing. Or for some of you, this person is already connected to somebody new, and or they will very soon. I'm not hurting you, or I'm not telling you a fake story. I'm telling you what I'm getting here. Although it's their desire to down the line, somewhere down the line, maybe after a few years, to reconnect with you. But as of now, I don't see that happening. For you, the guidance here is the Seven of Wands. Take a stand for yourself. Create boundaries, and let other people know not to break those boundaries in any way. And taking a stand for yourself, fighting for yourself is highly recommended, because nobody else, nothing else is going to do that for you. You yourself have to take a stand for yourself. You yourself have to fight for yourself, and you yourself have to speak your own truth, whatever that means in your case. I am here to just give you the guidance with as per the cards and universal guidance, and this is here it is. This is what it is. I can't change it. I can't do anything about it. This is what I'm getting. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.